How to change notification light settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Then, click on customization. In here, you will find all these options. At the top, scroll to the left and click on horizon light. After you click on it, you'll find different options. Select the color you want for your notification and press on save at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you're good to go. Another way what you can do is open Play Store and search notification light. Then click on notification light for OnePlus and install this app. After it's installed, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on select apps and select the apps you want this setting to be, which is the notification light setting. Make sure you turn it on. After you've done that, you can simply go back. After you go back, click on the second option, which is notification access. Click on notification access. After that, press on allow. After you've pressed on allow, it will run in the background. Now click on draw on screen. After you've clicked on it, click on next. After you've clicked on next, click on AOD notify. Then make sure you turn this on. After you've turned this on, you'll find this kind of screen. You can click on notification light and change all the settings. You can also change style as you want. And this is how to change notification light settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.